Hello everyone, want this? Let's begin. First, prepare your clips. As you can see, I have mine slightly overlapped to make it look better. Now, create an adjustment layer above them and add S-time slice. PC tweaking. Copy my settings. Now, optional, create an ADJ layer under the time slice and add CC white time. Follow my values. Now, create a new adjustment layer and add Glitchify on it. Now, we will create multiple keyframes for glitch amount, so pay attention to the site. Now, create a new adjustment layer and add motion tile, S-shake, twitch, BCC lens blur ops exposure. Follow my values. That's it for today's tutorial. If this helped you guys, please make sure to like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video.